1977. Liberalization was well beyond the horizon, and enterprise was limited to the 8 towns of the country. Electricity was all about lighting up homes and making appliances work. Fluctuations were looked upon as the hazard one had to live with. Switching off was the prescribed solution. Everyone was happy and life moved on. Till one man decided to rewrite the script. The story began in the southernmost tip of India. The state was Kerala, the town Cochin. In the bylanes of the sleepy town of Cochin, Kochausai Chittalapalli, with a capital of rupees 1 lakh, started putting shape to his dream. Hidden in its humble beginnings lay the grand desire to make power affordable and safe with a range of products whose ripples would be felt far and wide. The story that unfolded was that of V-Guard. The philosophy of being a power management company was laid then. The rapid growth of the company over the years underlies the infectious power of a strong belief, trust.
Today, we have more than 50 million satisfied customers, and I believe that they are the true ambassadors of V-Guard. Our products are trusted by our customers for their quality and reliability. As a company, we always believe in a policy of transparency and honesty.
V-Guard today produces a range of technologically advanced products that help carry forward its philosophy.
As we move ahead in time, it is our endeavor to reach each and every household across the country. V-Guard today touches over 50 million customers all across India who know that when they switch on a V-Guard product, they conserve electricity. A dedicated sales team and ever-growing network has helped us to achieve this task.
The highly experienced, proactive marketing team that works like the extended arm of the company reaches out to every nook and corner of the country. Today, the fact that millions of customers across borders and geographies are familiar with V-Guard products is a reflection of this relentless pursuit. At the core of any manufacturing company is the production quality. Carefully planned production facilities and state-of-the-art infrastructure has helped V-Guard sustain its reputation of consistently meeting market demands over the years.
Our production facilities across the country employs the best of talent, superior technology, and adheres to stringent quality control measures.
V-Guard has been constantly introducing new products, tailor-made to customer needs. The strength of V-Guard emanates from its dynamic R&D that painstakingly works, tests, and refines product designs all round the year. Unquestionably, the biggest asset of V-Guard has always been its people. It is the deeper camaraderie of the V-Guard family of employees that is behind the steady growth attained. This is further enhanced by a robust, employee-friendly HR policy with a long-term vision.
Today, we are standing at the threshold of over 1,000 crores in turnover. At this point of time, we envisage V-Guard to be the most sought after company by our consumers, investors, aspiring engineers and designers, and sales and marketing professionals.
What's more, a proactive after-sales policy ensures that V-Guard's association with the consumer doesn't end at the counter. Every complaint is responded to, every suggestion acted upon. V-Guard today touches more than 40 million consumers across India who know that every time they switch on a V-Guard, they conserve electricity.
Thank you for your support and trust in V-Guard.
It's been a journey well traveled, but we know new challenges await us, and therein lies our opportunity, because every challenge brings forth the promise of still unexplored possibilities. With our team of over 9,600 dedicated retailers and distributors, we know these possibilities will soon become our milestones in our journey ahead. V-Guard, the name you can trust.